Creating high-quality videos for YouTube right from your smartphone has never been easier, thanks to an array of powerful video editing apps. These apps not only simplify the editing process, but also bring professional-grade features to your fingertips, transforming your raw clips into engaging content for your audience. First on the list is Adobe Premiere Rush. Known for its intuitive interface and robust set of tools, Premiere Rush allows you to create and edit videos quickly without sacrificing quality. Features like multi-track timelines, advanced color correction, and animated titles make it a favorite among YouTubers. Additionally, its seamless integration with Adobe Creative Cloud lets you work across devices effortlessly. Next, we have KineMaster, an app that stands out due to its impressive layer-based editing options. KineMaster offers features such as chroma key for green screen effects, extensive audio controls, and blending modes. With its precise frame-by-frame editing and rich asset store, you can achieve professional results even on the go. The user-friendly interface ensures that beginners can dive in without feeling overwhelmed. Another excellent choice is PowerDirector, which boasts a clean design and an extensive range of editing tools. This app provides 4K video editing, motion tracking, and video stabilization, ensuring your final product is smooth and polished. PowerDirector also offers an array of transitions, effects, and templates, enabling you to add a creative flair to your videos effortlessly. InShot stands out for its simplicity and practical features, making it ideal for quick edits and social media optimization. Beyond its basic trimming and splitting tools, InShot includes features like music addition, text overlays, and filters. Its user-friendly design makes it perfect for beginners looking to enhance their content without a steep learning curve. Additionally, InShot supports a variety of aspect ratios, ensuring your videos look great on multiple platforms. Lastly, Filmora Go offers a balance between functionality and ease of use. This app provides tools for trimming, cutting, adding music, and incorporating transitions with just a few taps. Its drag-and-drop interface makes editing simple and fun. Filmora Go also includes a variety of themes and visual effects, allowing you to personalize your videos and captivate your audience effortlessly. Each of these apps brings something unique to the table, catering to different needs and skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or a newbie, these apps will help you produce stunning videos that stand out on YouTube. Explore these tools, experiment with their features, and watch your smartphone transform into a powerful video editing studio.